Okay, ladies, are you dealing with thin hair, thin edges, or thinning at the top? You're wondering what type of style you should get, what braid pattern you should use, what is the most healthiest for your hair? Well, I have the answer for you. I have the perfect hair solution. Look at this. This can be you. You can still wear beautiful styles even with your thinning hair, even with hair loss, alopecia, thin edges, or no edges. I have the perfect solution for you. And in this video, I will show you just how I created this beautiful style for my client. Look at that fullness. Look at that coverage. No one will ever know that she had any hair loss. So I'm going to step into this video and show you exactly how I accomplished this beautiful style. Of course, I always start off without moisturizing and hydrating my client's hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, if you are new to my channel, then you don't know that this G&G hair growth butter is the truth. Start your hair growth journey today using our 100% all-natural ingredient product to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is made with 100% all natural ingredients such as peppermint oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, almond oil, black seed oil, just to name a few, not to mention that it is made with 100% love. Yes, just like I am loving on my client's hair. As you can see, I am not just moisturizing her scalp, but I am moisturizing her hair as well. Look at the difference, ladies. Look at the difference in the top of her head and the part that I just hydrated with our G&G. Look how this G&G just melts into her hair, melts into her scalp, and it just gives it all the nutrients and the vitamins that it needs. Look at the difference, ladies. Look at the top up here and look at the bottom. You can just plainly see that her hair is hydrated, and this is what you want. If you go in to get your hair done, please ask your stylist to do this before they start styling your hair. Make sure that they are hydrating and moisturizing your hair before styling. This is super important. Or if you are doing your own hair, make sure you are doing this first. This is the very first step. With my clients, after hydrating their hair, I go in and I give them a deep head and scalp massage. Yes, this comes with each and every service. And then I go in with my brushing method. Normally, I speed the videos up for time purposes, but in this particular video, I wanted you to really see how I love on my client's hair. Look how I am taking my time and I am brushing her hair. And I am brushing with a wooden brush. All my brushes have wooden handles, whether they're the brown wooden or the black wooden. But these wooden brushes, they give you the bristles that you need to stimulate your hair follicles. As you can see here, I am brushing the areas where she has hair loss as well. These are the areas that you need to be intentional on. Yes, intentional, meaning you need to go in and you need to brush with intention, brush with love, brush with affection. And this is what we need to show our hair, ladies, to promote hair growth. This is super important and essential. Now you can see I'm going in and I'm doing a braid pattern. I'm doing a healthy braid pattern for her hair and for the style that she's going to be receiving. I'm always braiding very lightly. I try to tell people that braiding is a technique. It's not in the pulling. You do not have to pull the hair. You just need to use the technique of braiding. As you can see here on the sides and on her edges, I braided that braid going down, not going back. And then I am lightly taking my latch hook and I'm just going to kind of crochet this braid to the back. I'm not going to pull it to the back. I'm not going to braid it to the back because I want to reduce as much tension on her edges as possible. Her hair is very fragile on these edges, and I always want to promote hair growth and not hair loss. So again, as you can see here, I'm just using my latch hook and I'm lightly crocheting that braid in. So when it's time for her to take her hair down, all she has to do is just undo the latch hook. As you can see here in the front, I did singles, and I'm gonna go in and do the same thing. I'm gonna take the end of that braid and I'm just gonna lightly crochet it into these braids that I braided to the back. Now the only reason why I braided these braids to the back is because her hair is strong here in the middle and in the back. But as always, I want to have low tension, reduce as much pulling in the front and in the areas where she has hair loss. And as again here you can see that I am making sure that these singles are lightly crocheted in with my latch hook. And this is what you want to do, ladies. You want to always make sure that you are creating a healthy braid pattern. When we are wearing these protective styles, we want them to protect our hair, be healthy, as well as grow our hair underneath while we are wearing these protective styles. This is super important, and I cannot stress the essential need for a healthy braid pattern. So this is the best and healthy braid pattern that I've discovered and that I've created myself with hair loss, with thin hair, with thin edges, or with no edges. And as you can see here, after I moisturized with our hair growth butter, I went in with our hair growth oil. Yes, ladies, we have hair growth oil as well. So tap the link in the description below. It will take you to my website where you can get your order in for our hair growth butter, our hair growth oil, and start your hair growth journey. And oh my gosh, so I placed a thin hairnet on the front where she has her hair loss because I want to protect her scalp as well as her hair. I want to make sure that I'm doing all the healthy things that I can think of. I mean, ladies, sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night because I have visions on new techniques on what to do for hair loss, for thin hair, for thin edges, for no edges at all. So I came up with the idea of making sure that I cover her edges where she has the hair loss. And then I went in with what? My custom closure. Yes, ladies, my custom closure is what I'm going to use to give her the hair that she needs in the front, to create that hairline that she needs for this style. So as you can see, I've already installed my custom closure. I've already installed the net that's covering the hair loss areas that she have in the front. And now I am doing my favorite part, and that is crocheting. She is using some Ocean Wave 12-inch in length Ocean Wave crochet curls. The color is 1B30, and I just love this color. This is one of my favorite colors, 1B30. I'm going in, and with my latch hook, I am not going all the way underneath the braid. Ladies, this is another important tip and technique. Do not go all the way underneath the braid. You want to go through the braid, like the top of the braid or a section of the braid. Why? Because this again will reduce pulling and tension on the scalp. When she is manipulating her styles, meaning changing her styles from having a left side part to a right side part, or maybe even just pulling the hair out of her face, if you go all the way underneath, when you are pulling on your crochets, you are pulling on your scalp as well, or the roots of your hair, and you do not want that. So as you can see here where my latch hook is, it is through the braid, ladies. It is not all the way underneath. And then I'm going to take my crochet, my curl, and I'm going to latch it on, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to make that loop because these crochets don't come with the pre-loop. I make my own loop and I double it 2 to 3 times. Why? Just to secure this curl. Sometimes with the waves or with crochets that don't have a pre-loop at the beginning, sometimes they can come loose, and we don't want that. We want our crochet styles to be secure as possible. So I double and sometimes I triple the knot, as you've seen I did there. And oh my gosh, look at this style. Look at these ocean waves. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look how they are just flowing in place. Look at this color. This color looks absolutely amazing on her complexion. It goes so well. I love this hair. I love working with this hair. It's not hard to manage. It's not hard to install. It's beginner friendly. So if you are looking for a beginner friendly style, try these ocean wave crochets. Again, they are lightweight. They are long lasting. They last between 4 to 6 weeks, which is a good time to have your protective style up before it's time to take your hair down. Again, give it a good wash, shampoo, conditioner, and then restyle. Look at how gorgeous this came out. Look how full it is. No one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss in any areas. Not in the front, not in the sides, on the sides, not on her edges, not at the top. Oh my gosh, look at this hairline. Just look at this, ladies. Again, if you are looking for a full style, if you are looking to find what is the best protective braid pattern to use, this is it, ladies. I've shown you step by step, and all you have to do is save this video, share this video with your family and friends. Again, tap the link in the description below to go to my website so that you can see all my hair growth products, as well as all the other products that we have on our website. Again, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed.